everybody. My name is Jim Kubinski. I'm a firefighter paramedic, and I have the honor and privilege to serve in the role as fire chief for the city of Killeen, and that, to me, is an honor, and today is an exciting, exciting day.
This is an exciting time for the city of Killeen, and also our fire department, and the community as a whole.
So over the course of 2 years, these trucks were manufactured, put together, and delivered actually yesterday. So just in time.
The residents of Killeen should be proud knowing that we have quality equipment being used by top-notch personnel.
I'll tell you, the 1st Cavalry Division jumped at the chance to actually honor the courage of the men and women of this community who put themselves in harm's way to save the lives of others.
When we raise that bucket, that ladder goes 100 feet in the air. Not many people know about this, but we put a tribute to 3 Corps, 1st Cav, and that's important to know because we are one community.